So is it possible to earn $2.40 every single 60 seconds? Yes, it is. You just gotta know where to start, what platforms to use, and how to go about it. It's not just a matter of clicking a button and money or $2.40 falls out of the sky onto your lap every single 60 seconds. There's a little bit more to it, but in this video, I'm gonna break this down for you so you can see how to earn $2.40 every single 60 seconds. And this is not gonna be those surveys where you have to complete a couple of those questions and you only get paid like $1 or $2 after about 10 minutes of this survey. This is not affiliate marketing. This is not gonna be drop shipping or anything like that. This is not gonna actually be selling anything at all. So we don't need to go out there, promote some cold product, hoping someone will buy our product. This is a sustainable business model that a lot of internet entrepreneurs use to build a sustainable income online. This will not be a magic potion that will make money fall out of the sky. There are some steps that need to be taken, and consistency and a couple of minutes of your time is required. So if you aren't willing to put about 10 to 15 minutes of your time, you should not be here, because then if you can't watch a basic 10-minute video that will teach you how to make money online, you can't expect to have the time to build a big, profitable business. But this can work for you quickly if you put what I'm going to tell you into action, because most people just watch these kind of videos, expect something to happen, and when nothing happens because they didn't take action, they complain about it. But in the first place, they can't expect anything to happen because they never took action. And also, just quickly, this person on the screen over here was the winner of the $10 giveaway in yesterday's video. If you want to do the same, all you need to do is count how many times I say the word money throughout this video. If you watch from beginning till end, comment down below how many times I said that. The first person who gets the right answer in the comments down below, I'll pin your comment in tomorrow's video so that you can claim your $10. But without further ado, let's hop into the first website over here called offervault.com. Now, offervault.com is an entire website where you can basically get paid to give away free stuff. There are companies that have PayPal giveaways. There are companies that do Amazon gift card giveaways, Walmart gift card giveaways, anything that you can think of. And every time you refer someone to this giveaway, you will get paid a cost per action lead of anywhere between $1 and $4 just for referring someone to that giveaway. Another alternative that you can use is maxbounty.com. Honestly, Max Bounty is a lot better than OfferVault, but Max Bounty does have quite a strict sign-up process. So I do suggest, if you don't have Max Bounty, try sign up. If that doesn't work, come over to OfferVault. But for the purpose of this video, I actually have a Max Bounty account, so I'm going to use Max Bounty. All you need to do is scroll up to the right up here, and you're going to click on sign in. Once you've signed in with your account, your dashboard is going to look like this, where you can see some of your reports, your browse options, and you can search so many different campaigns over here. So for example, is a little interview. So all you need to do is fill out this interview, and you'll get paid $1 per person that you send to this interview. You will see today so far in my total Max Bounty earnings today, I've earned $104.31. I haven't spent any money on this, so this is all profit. Yesterday's earnings was $215. Had quite a good day, probably my best day this month. This month so far, I'm on $4,016.88. Now all you need to do is you need to scroll to the left over here, click on the search button. I'm just going to right click, open in a new tab. Over here, you can see tons of different CPA offers that you can go and promote. So for example, this person or company is giving away a $1,000 Visa gift card. Every person you refer to this giveaway, you're going to get $2.40 per lead. How does this work? So this company basically creates a landing page where they ask you a couple of questions to see if you qualify. Every person that you refer to that giveaway page that enters their name and email, you'll get $2.40 per lead. Why is this company doing this? Because of two things. First of all, they collect emails of people all over the world that wish to enter this giveaway. They build an email list of hundreds of thousands of people where they send out promotional offers, affiliate links, and they make well over more than $1,000 a day on that email list. So for them to give away a $1,000 Visa gift card is not a lot at all. So that's their way of advertising. So instead of spending hundreds of thousands of dollars and so much money on TV ads, radio ads, and any kind of other advertising or Facebook ads, they will list their offer on Max Bounty instead and get people like you and me to promote their offer and pay us for doing so. And you can choose so many different offers over here. Here's another one with a $500 Visa gift card. These people are doing a win a MacBook where you get $2 per lead. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to choose this one over here. The National Consumer Center gets a $1,000 Visa gift card. Just click on your campaign over here. You can read a little bit about it here. You can get 300 actions per day, meaning you can get a max. If I actually calculate this quickly, I'm just going to get a calculator. That's 300 times $2.40, 300 times 2.40. That's a max of $720 per day that you could earn off this offer. And you can see your status has been approved because your Max Bounty account has already been approved. So all you need to do is click on build a tracking link over here. Click on the contextual button over here and click on raw link over here. And over here, you can see your affiliate link to this offer. So all we're going to do is we're going to leave this affiliate link for now. Make sure to keep watching because this next step is crucial to whether you're going to succeed at this or not. The next step is you want to come over to this website over here. I'm going to release it and show you just in a bit what it is. So make sure to keep watching for that. Over here is an entire platform which acts as a bridge page for any social media platform where you can add a lot of different links. So this website is a beautiful way to share your YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and more content with just one bio link. This is a free tool. You can get started today. All you need to do is click on sign up for free over here. It will take you up to the sign up page, which looks like this, where you can sign up with your Twitter account or just sign up with your email address. I signed up with my email address. I'm just going to sign in with my account. Once you've logged in with your account, it's going to look like this. You've got your own unique link over here. So just to show you, if I actually go to my unique link, it's going to take me to my very own landing page where you can click on various different links and attach different affiliate links. So I'm just going to click on edit blocks over here. You need to click on edit blocks. You need to click on tap to add content. Just click on, look for anything that says link. I saw it over here. Links and websites over here. Just click on next over here. And over here, you can add your title. Now, all you're going to do is just come back to your campaign on Max Bounty. Copy this little section over here that says enter your email for a chance to win a $1,000 Visa gift card. Come back here. Let's just paste this as our title. I just want to make this a capital. And I just want to change this to your email instead of their email. For the title, we can use this exact same title over here. And for the URL, we can come back here and copy our affiliate link, copy this, come and paste this over here, and we can click on add block over here. So now you can see, let me just delete this one. Here you can see enter your email for a chance to get a $1,000 Visa gift card. I actually just want to edit this again, and I just want to go click here. And then we're going to go add block. Let's just do it like that. So it says click here. And all you want to do is click on publish over here. And now your unique affiliate link with your CPA link in your bio FM, which you can now paste and use anywhere to get tons of referrals to this link. So no platforms are going to ban this, no ads, no Facebook ads, nothing will ban this link simply because it's a bridge page that is your own website. So the first thing we want to do is we want to come over to Twitter and Facebook. Now the whole point of this is we want to first collect our initial $20 to $30 that we've made off Twitter. So all we can do is we can come over to search Twitter over here. You want to type in the following: I need money. You're going to go find people on Twitter, let me just clear that are looking for money or ways to make money online. So over here, you can see this person says, I don't need friends, I just need money. All you can do is comment on their tweet over here and say to them, hi, this company over here is doing a $1,000 raffle lucky draw giveaway. I thought it would help. And all you can do is you can click on reply over here. And for example, these people over here, I just listened to them. She doesn't ask for money, but the house is being run smoothly. So you can reply to them as well. The whole point of this is you just want to build up to your first $10 or $20 online with this offer. Same thing with Facebook groups. Come over to Make Money Online over here. There's a whole bunch of different groups over here. Let's click on this one over here. Be your own boss, make money online. You can go and create a little post or sell something and mention to people this company is doing a $1,000 PayPal prepaid Visa card giveaway. Click on the link to enter the lucky draw, and you can go and reply to people in the comments as well. So if I scroll down, you can see over here, okay, there's not really much going on in this group. Let's just go to this Make Money Online group over here. You can see if I actually go and view some of these comments, there's a whole bunch of people just pretty much spamming on this group. I wouldn't use this group. This is just a lot of spam. Although you can try post a link, because simply you giving away something for free, your post might get more attention than the other usual spam on this group. If I come back over here to Facebook groups, you can use, for example, Make Money on the Internet, and you just want to go through all these groups. Okay, this is a private group. Just join them, post on your group, just like I did with this Twitter post over here, and said, if I can find it now, I can't find it, and said, enter your email to win a $1,000 PayPal giveaway lucky draw, stand a chance to win. Just leave your bio FM link, and what's nice, that link won't get banned. Once you've built up to your first $20 or $30 online, come over to a website called shoutcard.com. Just log in with your account or sign up completely for free, and then click on Browse Influencers over here. There's a big button in the middle of your screen. Over here, you can actually go and pay people on Instagram stories, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and even TikTok. We know how viral TikTok goes, to shout out your Bio FM link. So all you can do is, you can, for example, reach out to these people over here with 976,000 followers. You can pay them the original $45 that you've made off Twitter and Facebook now for a shout out post, like a swipe up feature, and you can tell them to put in their story. This company is doing a $1,000 giveaway to a lucky only 50 people. All you need to do is quickly swipe up into your email, and it's via lucky draw. The winner of that giveaway will be sent an email. Make sure to go put in your entries over here. Then all they do is they create a swipe up feature to your Bio FM link, because that won't get banned on Instagram because it's not an affiliate link. People then click on that link, enter the email on that landing page, and boom, you're going to get leads, $2.40. I mean, if they have 976,000 followers, they will be getting hundreds of views on their stories every minute, which could be people converting and getting leads every couple of seconds or so just through your link. So hopefully you can see how powerful Shoutcards is in terms of CPA marketing. That's why I really suggested a strategy like this, and I've seen quite a bit of good profit from this. Also, you can come over, just scroll down some more. You can pay for multiple shoutouts. These people, for example, with 1.1 million followers are charging $90. You can actually click on their little lock button over here. Okay, I've already used all my credits, but with your free account, you'll get 5 credits. What I suggest is copy their username and actually go to Instagram and have a look at their engagements, have a look at if they're posting any stories or anything like that before you actually go and pay for that gig, because you don't want to pay for a gig on a dead account. You want to make sure that that account is active. Also, what you can go do is you can go and build your own TikTok page. I just recreate videos and create my own videos that I find on the For You page that I find valuable, or maybe make them in my own words. All I do is record with my phone, a little good mic, collar mic on my collar over here. Or what you can do is you can go follow some of these like quote pages, these motivational pages, and you can just leave a link in your bio and mention like a little text over here that says, doing a $1,000 giveaway. Click over here to enter. And I grew my account from 20K to 110K followers in a period of about 8 weeks because of 6 videos that went viral. TikTok is an insane place to go viral, to get a lot of traffic for CPA marketing, to get a lot of conversions and a lot of money online. And what's nice about building an audience on TikTok, it has a long-term longevity to it, because the audience is always going to be there. You're always going to be getting clicks on your link passively while you're away, earning with CPA marketing while you're away. So definitely recommend create a TikTok account as well while doing Instagram too, and you can actually build up multiple streams of income with multiple offers at the same time. But guys, don't forget to come over to the first link in the description, which is a link to my 6-figure drop servicing expert university. There's only current 4 spots left before the special ends. It's about 85% off. You'll see on the landing page there's a big coupon code, currently about 85% off, all the way down to $397. So make sure to go and claim that while there's only 4 spots left, because a discount like this won't come for quite a while. But without further ado, you can actually use this strategy if you want to build up that amount of money and literally build up to $397 and get yourself a free course. Also, don't forget about the giveaway in tomorrow's video. But without further ado, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.